Okay, so my brother is at the doctor right now, and I came back to look at these air conditioners again, and look at this. I got a new Trane XR. It's from 2017, so yeah, this is brand new. It's a 510. I just wanted to take a quick video of this. Yep. Yeah, said something to me. Oh, yeah. It's perfect. So, I just got things clear with someone over there. So, I don't feel as worried right now. So, all three of these carriers are running now. I filmed these, I don't know, I can't remember if I said that or not, but I filmed these a year ago today. My brother was at the doctor. This is a 2006, and it's too faded. I can't get the tonnage. Heritage 13. And there's another car right there. 2006. And here's someone else's kind of, no, there's parking. Alright. Off right here. Big Climatuf compressor. Here's this Gree that I filmed last year. That guy was looking at me. That's a different person. Gree. There's the Trane XB13. Here's this Trane turned off right here. And the energy guide is right there, but I don't feel like hiking back to it. That happens to everyone that films air conditioners. When I used to watch videos of elevators and stuff, and some people get busted all the time too. Anyways, this one does not sound very good, but